Here are some tips and tricks for your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. First of all, we can enable Always On Display. In order to do so, we need to open Settings, scroll down and find Lock Screen and AOD, and over here we can quickly enable and disable Always On Display. We also have a little bit of configuration options, however, there is not much to customize, unfortunately. If you want to use a custom notification sound, then of course you can go to Sounds and Vibration, and then if you go to Notification Sound, then over here of course you have the list of different sounds that you can use. Of course most of these, all of these pretty much by default, all of these sounds are used or installed when you start using the device. However, if you want to use a custom notification sound, then there is actually a way to do so. First of all, we need to go to My Files. Now we need to go to Audio Files, and of course you need to have your notification sound that you wish to use on your device. Now we can press and hold your finger on the sound, on the file, choose Move in the bottom left corner, make sure that the internal storage is selected, go to Notifications, and then move it here. I already have my notification sound added, but you want to drop it over here. And after that, if you go back to the settings and choose notification sound, you should be able to find your file in the custom section. While still being in sounds and vibration, you can scroll down and choose sound and quality in order to find Dolby Atmos. And also we have equalizer. So if you wish to adjust the equalizer, you have different examples, different patterns, but you can also create a custom one as well. And like I said, we also have Dolby Atmos here that might be useful to some of you if you like to use it. Now, furthermore, we can go to notifications, and if you choose notification pop-up style, and if you use brief notification pop-up style, then you have edge lighting style available. Over here you can create a pretty cool effect that you can see, for instance, next to the notification or somewhere on the sides of the phone. You can choose a color as well, and you can also adjust the transparency and the duration of the effect. Once you are done, press done. There you go. Another thing that is quite important, I think, is the adaptive power saving mode. We can go to battery settings, and then if you go to power saving, over here in the top right corner you can tap on these three dots and go to adaptive power saving. You can turn this option on in order to let the device learn some patterns of your usage of the device, so that it knows when it is optimal time to enable the power saving mode and when it is optimal to disable it. In addition to that, if you value your privacy and if you wish to have separate data stored in a private folder, let's say, then you can use Secure Folder. You can go to Security and Privacy, then More Security Settings, and over here we have Secure Folder. Now I already have mine set up. In your case it will take like a minute or two before it is set up, but you can choose a unique lock type for the Secure Folder. The Secure Folder can be then found in App Drawer, and it looks like this. Over here you can add multiple different apps that you already have installed, and these apps that are stored in Secure Folder, they work like individual apps. So even if you have Facebook outside of the Secure Folder, this Facebook app over here has own data, own account, and so on and so forth. So you can separate those data. In addition to that, we also have Gallery, My Files, and so on and so forth. So if you want to hide something, then you can hide it to the Secure Folder. You can also tap on these three dots over here in order to find some more options that might be useful. The next thing that I want to show you is once again located in Settings, but this time we're gonna scroll pretty much all the way down. Maybe not all the way, but if you keep scrolling you should be able to find Advanced Features, and then you can choose side button. Over here you can enable the option to double press the side button or power button in order to do something. By default, if you double press the side button, you will open the camera. However, you can also open any different app or even the flashlight. So if you choose to set up the flashlight, then you can double press the power button in order to quickly toggle the flashlight. Pretty useful stuff. Now, in advanced features, we can also find dual messenger. So if you want to use more than one account, if you, for instance, have two accounts for the same app, then you can create a clone of an app. So for instance, over here, I have created my WhatsApp clone, and I can find it, for instance, in the app drawer. Over here, I have the original app, and over here, I have the clone. And just like with the secure folder, the clone has separate or different data, so I can log into a different account over here and have different settings. And while being in the app drawer, if you don't like the fact that these apps are not alphabetical, then you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then you can choose to sort, and you can choose alphabetical order. And if you tend to use quick settings a lot, which can be found by swiping from the top towards the middle twice, so this is quick settings. If you wish to have quicker access, then while being in the quick settings, we can tap at this pen over here in the top right corner. And then we can choose quick settings, instant access, and you can turn this option on. So now, if you swipe on the right side of your device, like so, you will immediately open quick settings. Of course, you can still see notifications if you swipe anywhere else, but on the right side, if you swipe it, you will find quick settings. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!